house, boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Bell. Like, what kind of bell is my only question. Because there's so many kinds of bells. It's like tasting the space between notes, sharp and endless. There's a pull, a tear, like my body's unraveling down the middle. My vision blurs, two sets of thoughts colliding, splitting. This shouldn't happen after one drink, right? You are motherfucking wrong.
Fatality.
Well, oh my sweet lord. Oh my god. I did not expect that. This is called a skull bisection. Which, yeah, that makes sense. I can see the brain. I'm curious though. It's okay. So only this side talks, this one doesn't, which kind of makes sense. Okay, that is the Cup of Bell. If you enjoy yourself, so please stay tuned for this video. Bye bye.